During these lectures, you will learn the most basic CRUD operations on Elasticsearch. That is, create, read, update and delete. We will index a document, that is, create one. We will learn several query types so we can read the documents we just indexed. We will do a full update on our documents. And the last lecture is delete, where we will delete our documents based on ID. Deezer is one of the companies that uses Elasticsearch. So we will create our Deezer song index during the lectures. We will begin by create. We will now learn how to index a document. After this lecture, you will know how to index a document with custom ID. The general form we will use is put, after that the index, the type, and the ID. Remember that index is like a database, type is like a table, and ID is the unique identifier we have. And after that we will put our document as a JSON. As an example, consider this. My index is my Deezer because I'm trying to mimic Deezer. My type is song and my unique identifier is 1. And after that I have a song, as you can see. Now let's see it on an example. Before beginning anything, just make sure that your Elasticsearch node is up and running. And after that, we will open the Sense plugin. We will write localhost 9200 plugin Marvel and Sense. And after that, we will see this Sense screen. Now, let's begin by indexing few documents, few songs in particular. We will do put. I set my Deezer as index, song as type, and first I will use one as ID. I will put my song here. My songs have 5 attributes, so 5 fields. The first one is title. The name of my first song is Doing Alright from the artist, of course, Queen. And the album is again Queen. And the year they published this album is 1973. And I will put time here, the running time for the song, which will be 269 seconds. Okay, so let's index it. I will click here on the play button, green play button. And okay, it's indexed. Let's look closer to the response of Elasticsearch server. The index here is our index my Deezer, and the type is song, just as we choose it. And ID, the unique identifier, is 1. Yes, it was 1 like this. And version is 1. Why it is 1? Because this is the first time our Elasticsearch server is seeing this document with this ID. We are not updating it, nor deleting it. Each action, such as indexing, updating, or deleting, will increment this version by 1. So if I update this, I will have version 2. If I delete this, I will have version 3. Okay? Created is true because this is the first time we are creating it. Now, let's insert other songs that you can find in the resources section. I will do a smooth copy paste. Now, let's click on put, click here, again put, click here, And each time we will insert a new document to our Elasticsearch index. We just inserted 5 songs to our Deezer index. Now let's check the documents we indexed to make sure. But for this we have to move to the next lecture and learn how to read documents from Elasticsearch.